Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and this is another open with me. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll be informed when there are new videos. And this is a little, putting that in the bin, excuse me. Why is there a bag within a bag? That's a bit weird. I've put the scissors over there too. Yeah, this is a little feature that I do for new magazines and, well, some bumper packs and bits and pieces. So this one, right, let's move that out of the way. This is the new Crochet Now magazine. 39 patterns that you'll love. This is the one that has some features in with Bella Coco. We've got shawl patterns. Now this one reminds me a little bit of Krista from the Secret Yarnery. And we've got some ice cream and I did a donut. In fact, I do have a tutorial for my delicious donut. And if I can remember, I will put it at the end on the videos that pop up. So we've got 5 amazing blankets. Win a year of yarn from Sheepies. I know that's not how you pronounce it, but it is for me. And 20% off luxury yarns. So let's have a little look then. That's just my address. So we've got a little free gift. We've got a bracelet with some stitch markers, which actually, this isn't a bad idea. Not to have it as a bracelet, I wouldn't wear it, but all of the stitch markers that I've been getting that are like this can now fit on this and all stay together in a nice hoop. But I don't think I'll be wearing it as a bracelet. It'd catch on everything. I used to have a charm bracelet as a child that my mum bought me, and I was forever catching it, especially when I did typing at school, and that was terrible. Right, so for some reason this does move sometimes, so let's hope it doesn't. Okay, so let's get started. And this yarn reminds me of one I picked up today, and I will review that a little bit later, but obviously it's not the same. This is West Yorkshire Spinners Signatures. So get past the welcome page. So this looks like what we had on the front cover. So some of the patterns to make. So there may be some Wallace and Gromit bits and pieces in here as well as the shawl that they mentioned. And this mandala, and there's supposed to be 5 blankets. So let's have a look. Now there's a list of everything that's in here. So that's quite good. Normally it's just like a little bullet point thing, but this is actually quite a big spread, so that's not too bad. Lots of adverts. So what's new? These are the yarns and pattern books and tidbits of woolly wonder that will make your mouth water. That threw me because I always thought it was called titbits, not tidbits. Oh well, you learn something new every day. So here we go, just more adverts and little tiny editorials and stuff. Nothing to write home about there. Letitia's Garden. Okay. More little stories. I don't ever read them. I don't know why I buy these magazines, to be honest with you. Inspiration, that's why. So this is the Show Us Your makes. So we've got a sunflower and lots of amigurumis, really. And a little, is that a doggy scarf? Or something, little doggy coat maybe, I don't know. So this one is the Summer Sunshine Wrap. It's called a Summer Sunshine, but I would wear that more in the winter. It's probably made with cotton. That's probably why it's summer, but as it's nice and closely, kind of the stitches are not wholly, I would say that's more warm than light and airy. But solid block colours. So this is the one that reminds me of Krista from the Secret Yarnery, but hers are just kind of circles of colour. But these, obviously, they get kind of, the circles of colour get smaller and then larger, then smaller again, which is different, I guess. So it's called the Fruit Tingles blanket. Fruit Tingles. Okay. Coffee House Kawaii toys. Now these are cute. So these are the donuts. Well, obviously these two are real, but this one, I didn't put a face on my donut. That's the only real difference, and the fact that mine had chocolate on the top. But other than that, but they are quite cute, and there's how to make them. I'm not really sure I'd want this unless it went round a cup. It's not really functional. But then again, neither is a fabric donut, I suppose. And she's modelling the stitch marker bangle, which is kind of funny. I suppose you could put it there if you wanted. It'd hold your stitch markers. That's kind of different. So here we've got a triple scoop cushion, called that because they're ice cream cones with little balls of ice cream on top. Kind of cute. Be a bit bumpy to sit on, but still. And this is the top that's on the front cover. The fruit salad summer top. I don't know what I think about that, really. I'm not sure I like the sleeves, or lack of. It's more like a tabard. That's what it just looks like, a tabard. And they always remind me of work, people who wear them for jobs. So this is the Win a Year of Yarn with Sheep Ears. So there's competition. So I don't know what you have to do. Let's see. For your chance to win, enter online. There you go. So you don't even have to buy the magazine. At www.craftworld.com/cms/crochet now with a hyphen by the 26th of August. And you'll be in with a chance. How about that? You can enter without having to pay for it. So we've got Kerry's journal. She's done a little bride and groom up there. That's kind of sweet. So lots of cars going by. I'm in the kitchen. It's more light in the kitchen and more room. So we've got Wallace and Gromit. Now my kids absolutely love Wallace and Gromit, and they would be able to tell me who all of these are. I believe that's, is it Wenderline? May be wrong. Paul would know as soon as he see him. Yes, it's Wenderline and Preston. So this is Preston, I think. Don't think the poodle is. Let's see. On the other side, we have Paella and Fluffles. So that's obviously Paella, and the dog would be Fluffles. There we go, it's Fluffles. Now Gemma would like that because she liked poodles. Well, she had one. Exclusive subscription offer. So £11.39 per quarter. Save 50% online at this address, quoting that code if you wish to take it up. I'm not sure if they're offering anything. Don't think they are on this particular one. Just the bullet points which say save money on every issue, free delivery to your door, never miss an issue, be the first to read it, and treats worth over £7 with every issue. Step-by-step guides in every issue, the best tutorials and projects from industry experts. Build your own crochet knowledge, never be short of crochet inspiration again, and spread the cost. But no free gift as such, because sometimes you get a yarn bundle when you subscribe to a magazine, but not with this one. So this is a chevron scarf, and I've made one similar to that, but I didn't have these long tassels on the end. But never know, might do it again one day. I like this one. Now that's nice. And it's got sleeves. I might have to, well, to be perfectly honest with you, my arms are a darn sight bigger than hers, so I might not have to. But should it be, when you make the next size up, to fit someone of my size, if the sleeves were that baggy, I would have to taper them. I couldn't do that. But I like that. That's nice. I like the whole thing. You'd have to wear a little vest top underneath it. But that carefree summer tunic, that is nice. Don't mind that. The only thing that would spoil it is if it turned into a tabard at the side. Depends what they've done here. The arm always hides what's happening at the side. And it does kind of look longer at the back. What on earth's going on with this? I don't know. I can't really tell. I just... doesn't show it there either, does it? No. That's weird. I'd like to see it all the way around. Ice cream parlour baby blanket. I suppose it's just representing Neapolitan ice cream, all different colours. But it's just row after row of trebles, which obviously is a US double crochet, which has people who've been watchers of my channel for quite some time will know I don't like. I don't like that. Crafting Calm, top 5 tips for Mental Health UK. Oh, that's a nice mandala. That's quite pretty. Bit of technique involved there as well with this. Nice, I like it. That's pretty. Big advert for the Wool Warehouse. And here we've got the the Enigma Crochet Along part 4. So anyone wanting to take part in that, this is part 4 of it. It's weird because all the magazines that I'm reviewing, the cowls, all started the same week. Now this is pretty. This yarn's lovely that she's used this to make this with. It's called the Serendipity Shawl. Corner to corner though. So if you wanted to make it, it's corner to corner. Can't really see. What yarn did she use? I can't really bend this magazine too easily to show you, so let's just find it. Sorry if I'm moving it around a bit. Here we go. Cotton King's Twist. 2 balls in carnelian. Available from Hobby. Cotton Kings. Oh, now that's unusual. Lots and lots of fruits. It's a fruits mandala. Fruits with a Z. Fruits. That's kind of different, isn't it? That would be nice to put your fruit bowl on if you made one of those to go on the side and then put your fruit bowl on it. But then you'd never see it, I guess. Might be, but I'd like it anyway. So we've got books, the books that they're reviewing. Hello, what? Hexel? They're on about hexagons, I guess. I dare say. There's this one's all hexagon. This month we are mad for hexagonal motifs, and we settle down to read Sarah Shrimpton's new book, Hello Hexie. Hello Hexie. And then we've got a blanket made of stars, which you've got a chart for as well up here. I'm not sure if I like the colours of it though. And we've got a teddy. A Stitch in Time Leo. So obviously he's a little lion because you can see his like little ruffle around the edge. Oh, now that is cute. I've got that coloured yarn as well. So what we've got here. What's in the works? The Foundry Works Rotherham is back open and full of fun new yarny treats. Here's what's top of our shopping list. I really do need to get my glasses. That's the one thing I forgot. So this is a hanging pineapple planter. There we go, here it is. And there it is with a plant in it. I don't know that that would stay that nice if you keep watering it. Maybe I over vigorously water, but there always seems to like jump out when I think I leave them too long, you know, and they go a bit dry. Not very good with plants. So here we've got your crochet community. Everybody's little things they've written in as well. Lots of adverts. There's always too many adverts in this. Sorbet Stripes blanket. It's just a stripy blanket. Pretty colours though. And a cotton candy dress. Looks a bit warm for this time of year though. It's absolutely scorching here. But if that takes your fancy. We've got summer sale. This is save 45% on the cover price. All different magazines. And we've got Bella Coco's Crochet Chronicles, where she's showing us how to do filet crochet. I was going to say filet crochery, which is not what she's showing us at all. And there you go. Little tutorial on filet. I like to call it fillet. Breakfast slice coasters. Now you see the one I said about the one for your fruit bowl. You could make individual ones for glasses or cups. That's kind of cute. Oh, I like that idea. I did actually make some that were like this once before. How to read a pattern, which is not a bad little piece, because, you know, so many people say to me, like, I can't read a pattern, or I'd like to wish I could read patterns, but I can't. So we've got a chart as well. So hopefully they tell you how to read the chart as well as how to read an actual pattern. Learn the basics. So holding the yarn, making a slip knot, all the very basics there. Working in chain and working in rows are very, very basic bits. And double crochet, which obviously is a single crochet across the pond, isn't it? No, it's a treble, isn't it? Double. The single crochet is our double. Yes, so that's right. It's our double, so it's a single crochet. So confusing. Half trebles, which you call half doubles across the pond. And then obviously trebles, which you do call doubles, just to add confusion. Standard abbreviations and hook sizes and terms. There's always that in the back. So what we've got here, next issue of Crochet Now is Coffee and Cream. Imagine, what's it? Let's have a look at this. Imagine wrapping up for a brisk autumn stroll with indulgent latte or hot chocolate in hand. It's basking in, God knows, like 90 degrees, and they're asking us to imagine it's autumn. Bit difficult. Snuggle into stylish layers with your latest crochet project close by, and you're sure to love our new issue. And that will be in August. So it makes no sense. Makes no sense. A little bit out of time, I'd say. Handy hook bag and hooks from Bella Coco. So there's a couple of hooks with a little zipper bag. That looks like a zipper. And he's cute. I like this. Bag puss. Although bag push is traditionally bright pink. So that's not the traditional bag puss colours. It's a little bit darker. And then we've got this little guy. It's so cute. And a big chunky pullover. So that's next time. And blogging. All about blogs. Obviously not mine, so we close that. Not that I'm bitter at all. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this magazine in the comment section. I've subscribed to this one for a while, so I will get this one quite often now as well. And as well as Simply Crochet and Molly Makes. Molly Makes, I've got another 4 to go. Won't renew it after that. But it's good to review it, and a lot of people obviously haven't got a clue what it's about. So at least if they see it, they'll know if they want to subscribe or get it. So thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care. As I said, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.